what we're going to do with this one is we're going to set different margins on different layers for different things. So please pay attention and look up at my screen, please. Now, when you do this, when we have different layers, we have to lock these other layers so that we don't accidentally mark on the wrong one. So our first ones we're going to place are 1/4 inch. The shortcut, of course, is Control R. Make sure, again, that it is zeroed out. If it is not, you can grab this corner and snap it right to the corner, and then you're good. Now, to be precise, I suggest you are reasonably close to the ruler. You should have some distance, but you should be able to see. All right. And then you need to zoom up until you're happy with it. So right now, at this zoom rate, I can see my individual inches with no problem. All right, so my first one I'm going to set is quarters. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to hold down the shift key. See, here's 1 inch. Here's 1/2 inch. Here's half of that. That's 1/4. So I dropped that first one. You guys have seen me do this before. And then I did tell you, when you get really good at this, you won't even have to measure because you'll see that square and you'll automatically be able to do it. But until that point, you can see, you just scroll down, hold down that shift key, check your measurement, let go. It's that simple. Now, once you've got this, you have to lock this layer and turn that layer off. You'll notice those guides disappeared. I'm going to unlock the 1/2 inch, and I'm going to do the same thing for those. Again, oh, it would help if, okay, unlock, I'm on the proper layer, shift, drop it, until I have all, and that's exactly what you're going to do for all of them. You're going to lock that layer, turn it off, usually. Now, for this next part, you could leave one or the other on. I don't care, because we're going to make center lines. But we don't need all of that. So I'm going to leave that one on, and I'm going to choose the center horizontal. Horizontal, as a reminder, is across. So I'm going to unlock this layer, and I'm going to pull down. Now, half of 8.5 is 4 1/4. So make sure, see if you're not sure, there's 4, there's 5, there's half, and half of that is 1/4. And I'm going to drop my center line. I'm going to lock that layer, and I'm going to unlock the center V, which is vertical. So we're going this way. So same thing, drag. Half of 11 is 5 1/2, so there's 5, there's 6, there's half of that. I'm going to drop my guide, and I'm going to lock it down. So if I turn all my guides on, this is what I should have. And it's that simple. And the reason why we do this is because you can turn off individual guides for different parts of your project as needed. If you put all of your guides on one layer, that's fine if they're all supposed to be seen at the same time. But if you have a more complex document, or like multi-pages, it actually helps if you have them separated. All right.